If you've been injured, the insurance company that you hear from is not there to help you.
Don't get bullied by insurance companies. Call Jason Ernest and bully them back at 775-727-9500.
Defendant Ryan Sanders appeared in district court with Judge Robert Lane this week for an evidentiary hearing for a probation violation. Sanders was represented by attorney Jaharna Shahani. Shahani requested that Judge Lane move Sanders' probation hearing out at least 6 weeks. The underlying violation that caused this matter to be brought forward has been continued. Sanders was on probation for burglary, vehicle theft, and possession, child neglect, assault, possessed stolen property, grand larceny, fraud, and possession of controlled substances.
Yes, Your Honor. He's on for an evidentiary hearing regarding a probation violation. The underlying matter that caused the violation, the preliminary hearing on that has been continued, which is why the parties agreed to continue this matter as well.
Okay. Does he want to waive his Fifth Amendment rights, just admit everything? And
Absolutely not, Your Honor.
2 weeks, 4 weeks, 2 months, 3 months?
I
What do you
think
want?
the prelim is going to be set in 6 weeks.
Okay.
So if we have a date after that, Your Honor, that would
All
be
right,
great.
so we're at end of January, end of February, end of March. End of March is March 27th.
But could we go one more week after that so we're not, I'm sorry, Your Honor, only because I don't want to.
April, I don't care.
Okay.
April 10th,
Thank you,
0900.
Your Honor.
Sanders was recently arrested and is facing charges of kidnapping in the first degree, attempted murder, false imprisonment, burglary, grand larceny of a motor vehicle, attempted sexual assault, battery with substantial bodily harm after he and his alleged accomplice, Richard Duncan, kidnapped and sexually assaulted his boss's mother after he was terminated from his employment. The 74-year-old was severely beaten and left for dead after being kidnapped from her home in the middle of the night. She was repeatedly sexually assaulted and beaten with a fence post this last November. Duncan was arrested quickly after the attack. It took a manhunt involving local, state, and federal authorities to locate and capture Sanders and his 13-year-old son he had been hiding out with in a trailer off Elderberry Street here in Pahrump. The upcoming trial date has not been set for Duncan and Sanders in that case. Judge Lane has continued the evidentiary hearing for the probation violation on the previous cases until April 10th at 9 a.m.